So these are the sleeper vans. So you can see it. Got like a whole little hallway, bathroom in the back. I'm supposed to be in 16. I'm supposed to be in that one right there. It got snatched. Somebody took mine, so I'm in theirs. And it comes with little air conditioner vents. There's a little TV thing here, right? Privacy lights. You know, that's cool stuff, whatever. You know, accent lights. You get yourself some curtains. Say you want some privacy, right? The best part is... So the best part is that you can lay down. Like you can see, my legs are fully stretched here. So if I want to like sleep, you get your little thing in the back here, right? I could actually like lay here, take a nap, and my feet are pretty much all the way stretched out there in the back. So yeah, these are the sleeper cabins. The light right there, and it's like a 4-hour ride. 4-hour ride to Hanoi. So it's this is how you travel. This is it. I love it. Like and it was only $360,000, which like I don't know, $15 for this, like a luxury bus. You know what I mean? To travel. I mean, you'd be paying 60, 80, 90, $100 on a tight little Greyhound trying to do this back in the States. So yeah, this is the sleeper bus. I love it. It's always so exciting. And you get the view of the beautiful Vietnamese landscape out the window as you're traveling, right? And I'm going to see somebody very special. I'm so excited about. Somebody very special. Anyways. So yeah, that's how you travel. That's how you travel. My hair is a little crazy. You can see I'm in my pajamas. Check out these new socks I got. Never in my life have I wore gray socks, but it was a gift. So, anyways, I feel like it's my own little spaceship cabin, right? So, I'll keep this video short, but so when you come to Vietnam, just remember, you'll have a van pick you up from wherever you're at, take you to the main bus hub, you know, or a bus waiting station. And then from there, the bus will take you to wherever you're trying to go to in Vietnam. So if you're trying to go to Hanoi or Lao Cai or Sapa or Da Nang or whatever, you know, this is the cheapest, more comfortable way of doing it because this is a bed. Like my feet, I lay down completely, right? And my feet don't even touch. My feet don't even touch the end. That's how much space there is. And you got privacy curtains, so nobody can, you can sit here and freaking whatever. Nobody's gonna mess with you. Alright, 4 hours and I'll be in Hanoi. We're gonna see the water puppet show. We're gonna see Guardians of the Galaxy. We're gonna see the old district. We're gonna go to the bookstore, the English bookstore. We're going to finally see Hanoi. I've only seen it for like 2 seconds at a time or passing through. We're gonna see a movie. I've never seen like the actual spots, right? Yeah, so there's so many cool things we're gonna see, and there's somebody I'm going to see, which I'm very excited about. So I'll keep you informed. Bye.